Hi, it's Felicia. I'm going to show you how you can trim a clip on your Apple phone using the built-in editor. Here's my clip.
Hi, my name is Felicia. I want to teach you how to edit.
There's some dead space at the beginning of my clip, so to trim it, I'm going to press Edit. And when I select that clip, it's going to bring up some thick vertical lines at the beginning and the end of the clip, and I'll slide it to where I begin speaking. There it is.
Hi, my name is Felicia. I want to teach you how to edit.
That's the end of my clip, so I'm going to repeat that step at the end of the clip.
Hi, my name is Felicia. I want to teach you how to edit.
And that shows what's now in the clip. I'm going to save the video, and that's it. Let's play it.
Hi, my name is Felicia. I want to teach you how to edit.
That's the whole clip, and that's how you trim a clip using your phone.